you all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down. And I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air.
Hey guys, it's Miss Malukas with your morning announcements.
In West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground is where I spend most of my days. Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool and all, shooting some b-ball outside of the school. And a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared. She said, "You're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air." I whistled for a cab, and when it came near, the license plate said fresh and it had dice in the mirror. If anything, I could say that this cab was rare, but I thought, nah, forget it, go home to Bel Air. I pulled up to the house about 7 or 8, and I yelled to the cabbie, "Yo, home, smell you later." I looked at my kingdom, I was finally there. Stared at my phone as the Prince of Bel Air.
Today's Friday, fantastic Friday, December the 11th, and today's an A-Day. Please get ready to join me for the Pledges of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please remain standing or simply silent and respectful for an additional moment of silence. Thanks, guys. Before we do anything else, today's Friday, which means I get the privilege of announcing our college acceptances for this week. Seriously, the highlight of my Thursday. You can ask any of the college counselors. I think I make it maybe 10 a.m., 10:30. I was testing on Thursday, so probably later, but I can't wait to see the acceptances for the week. Definitely the highlight, and I feel so privileged and so lucky that I get to announce that, as silly as that might sound. So here we go. Lots to announce. We have Nelson Rivera, accepted to Concordia University. Frida Vega, Concordia as well. Angel Rocha, Dallas Baptist University. Emily Tovar Gonzalez, Mary Hardin Baylor. Jesse Borja Hernandez, St. Edward's University. Michael Tercero Ortiz, St. Edward's University and St. Mary's University. Josue Cervantes Arredondo, Texas A&M at Corpus Christi. Lisbeth Guillen Ramos, Texas A&M at San Antonio. Fernando Vargas, Texas Lutheran University and the University of Texas at Dallas. Evelyn Hernandez, Texas A&M, San Antonio. Eric Perez, Texas A&M at San Antonio. Salma Rivas Soto, Texas A&M, San Antonio. Janie Serna Garcia, Texas A&M, San Antonio. Desiree Mendoza, Texas A&M, San Antonio, and the University of Texas at Dallas. Lillian Morazan, Texas Lutheran University. Ana Hernandez, University of Texas, the Rio Grande Valley. Ana Chavez, St. Edward's University. Emily Cuevas, Texas A&M, San Antonio. Analicia Arriaga, Texas A&M, San Antonio. Roger Hernandez, Concordia. Jason Arroyo, Texas Tech. And Elizabeth Diaz, Texas A&M, College Station, and University of Texas at Dallas. So incredibly proud of you guys. I know this is just one of many announcements that happens throughout the year, but every week, I'm serious, to stop what I'm doing because it kind of makes me want to cry. So proud of you guys. I feel so fortunate to work not just with you all, but also with your teachers, with your college counselors, Ms. Estrada, Ms. Azendorf, Mr. Rodriguez, Mr. Ruiz, and all of your teachers. I still remember teaching you guys in 8th grade. You've come so far, to say the least. Not surprised at all, though. Congratulations. I can't wait to hear about other acceptances as the year continues. And also, even more good news, please help me in congratulating these students who are finalists for the Dell Scholarship to be Dell Scholars. Emily Tovar Gonzalez, Fernando Vargas, Jonathan Cruz, Elizabeth Diaz, Amber Frias, Crystal Juarez, Ana Chavez, Luz Cruz, and Analicia Arriaga. This is a huge deal. We all know how challenging this year has been, and these students persevered. This is, if selected, these students will receive a $20,000 scholarship, personalized support for the academic year, and all of the challenges that may prevent them from being successful. Not that any of these students have any doubt will be successful. A laptop with a 4-year warranty. Chegg credits, which is a resource for textbooks. This renews annually, $500 for 4 years. Resources to support stress, debt, managing childcare and other issues, and then counseling. This is amazing. This is a really big deal. Please help me in congratulating these students. Congratulate them if you see them. I think we receive final results for this one in March to find out if they get this. But it's still a big deal, just to be considered. It's a huge deal. On to less exciting things, but still important. Semester exam pickup for next week. It's today. So 10:30 to 12:30 for the following exams. You can stop by to pick up 9th grade geometry, 10th grade algebra 2 and chemistry, 11th grade pre-cal, and Spanish 2. Again, this is the last day for pickup. Unless you reach out to your teacher, you need a paper exam, we can help you with that. Here's the exam schedule. Today we've got seniors on campus for their free response questions. Can't wait to see you guys in real life. We also have our 8th graders taking their history exam. I know you guys have had an extremely long week, you and your teachers, for testing. Today's the last one. Make it count. I know you're prepared. Miss A3 is amazing. You're going to do great. Here's the schedule for next week. Lots of exams. But after next week, we get a break. Pause if you need this. And again, reach out to your teachers with additional questions. Pause for a reminder about your incentives. And on to the birthdays. We don't have any birthdays that I saw today. If I missed you, I apologize. Please send me a message on Teams. Here are birthdays this weekend, though. Tomorrow, Erica Hernandez, senior, has a birthday. Happy early birthday. Happy birthday eve, Erica. And then on Sunday, December 13th, we have 3 7th graders who have a birthday. Morelli Arroyo Hernandez, Christian Linares Martinez, and Ayana Manson. Happy early birthday, guys. I hope you have a great weekend. You share your birthday with tons of people. Here are 3. We have former wrestler Rey Mysterio, Mos Def, or Dante Terrell Smith, and then actor Ryder Strong. Today's his 40th birthday, but I will always picture him from Boy Meets World. Don't know if that show is still around, but I very much enjoyed it. On to this day in history, December 11th. UNICEF was founded. In the aftermath of World War II, the General Assembly of the United Nations votes to establish the United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, or UNICEF, which is an organization to help provide relief and support to children living in countries devastated by war. After the food and medical crisis of the late 1940s passed, UNICEF continued its role as a relief organization for the children of troubled nations, and during the 1970s grew into a vocal advocate of children's rights. During the 1980s, UNICEF assisted the UN Commission on Human Rights in the drafting of the Convention on the Rights of the Child. After its intro to the UN General Assembly in 1989, the Convention on the Rights of the Child became the most widely ratified human rights treaty in history, and UNICEF played a key role in ensuring its enforcement. The United States is the only UN member state to have not ratified the treaty. The U.S., which was one of the original signatories of the convention, has failed to ratify the treaty because of concerns about its potential impact on national sovereignty and the parent-child relationship. Here's the schedule. Again, if you are testing, your schedule may look different. If you're hearing my voice, I suspect you're also attending classes. Take a moment, consider texting someone who isn't. Thank you guys so much for continuing to wear your masks. Remember, they should cover your mouth and your nose. 512-814-5326. Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. If no one else tells you today, remember that we love you, believe in you, and always will. I love you guys so much. We made it to Friday. We've got today, then we've got 5 days next week, and then we've got a break. So proud of you. Can't wait to see you. Excited to see so many seniors in person today. Just really, really proud to be part of this campus. I love you guys. Good luck on your exams if you have them. Otherwise, enjoy Move This World. See you soon. Thank you.